Hey, what is up, you guys? The stock market was crazy this week, and I don't expect it to be any different next week. We saw stocks like GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond, Build-A-Bear, and many more go up 100% within days. We are experiencing a new type of market, one that's going to be favoring traders like you and me if we play them correctly. We just have to stay connected through the internet and make these hedge funds tumble to their knees. Let's get started with the beast of all beasts, GameStop. Like I said in my other video, a lot of hedge funds that were shorting GameStop had to buy shares because GameStop closed above 100 on Friday. If the volume is there, we could see a massive push to the upside like we did with Volkswagen a while ago. However, we do have to be realistic and accept the fact that GameStop can't go up forever, and some people will be left holding the bag. So please, guys, try to take some profits and let the rest run. Or you can just hold and YOLO it. It's your money. I don't care. I just wanted to point out the obvious because people will have to take profits sooner or later. And I hope that you don't become one of the people who get caught holding the bag. As you can see here on the firewall chart, we're not overextended on the RSI. This tells me that we could see a push up, but the downside is bigger than the upside, I believe, to me. If we can hold 250, I can see us trending up here, or we can push forward. If we break 400, we definitely will see a push to the 400, maybe more. But like I said, a lot of people will be taking profits, and GameStop could easily fall down back to $100 or less. So please, guys, always have a plan. In the 15-minute chart, you can see that GameStop build a little cup and it might be forming a handle. We don't know yet. We have to wait till Monday till market opens to see. But it might form a handle, and then we might push up, or it might just fall and die. We don't know yet. We need to see how Monday opens up. We need to see how momentum is. Moving on to AMC. AMC was a monster this week as well, and I think that we could see a push towards the $20 mark and beyond because it's the same thing as GameStop. AMC short sellers were forced to buy shares on Friday because AMC closed above $9, and we can possibly see a gap up on Monday. It really just depends on the volume. However, it's not all upside that we can see. We can also see AMC doing an offering to take advantage of this opportunity to raise more capital. That could kill the bullish momentum. They also have earnings on February 2nd, and we all know that they don't really have much earnings, and that could also affect us negatively. But earnings is a coin flip because I've seen companies that do really well and fall the next day, and I've seen companies do really bad and still take off the next day. So we don't really know what AMC could do. We just have to set our levels, come up with a plan, so if it doesn't go our way, we cut our losses. Now, taking a look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that we hit $25 on Wednesday. If we can hold 7-11, if we don't fall below 7-11, I feel like we can trade in a range in this area. But if we don't, we're definitely going back to the 4th. On Monday, if we can hold 1080, I can see us ranging from 1080 to $16. And depending on how much volume there is, how the hype is, we can possibly see all-time highs again. But please, guys, come up with a plan. BlackBerry to me looks very weak in my opinion. They should have gone higher on Friday because this was the only company that released news on Thursday saying that they were in the works of putting their software into an EV, but they just fell on Thursday and Friday. If BlackBerry falls under 1340, I can see us going back to where it was before the hype started by the end of the week. However, if we can break 1640, I can see BlackBerry picking up momentum, and we can possibly see BlackBerry above $20. Don't be surprised if BlackBerry does a offering to raise capital. It all depends on Monday. But BlackBerry is one of my least favorites out of these four. Moving on to Nokia, ticker symbol NOK. Nokia had a big spike on Wednesday, but then it continued to fall for the next 2 days. To me, it looks like Nokia formed a head and shoulder. These two being the shoulders the head right here, and it may continue to fall on Monday, or is forming a base and is likely to form a cupping handle pattern, but we will have to wait till Tuesday or Wednesday to confirm it. Unlike the previous stocks, Nokia has not really taken off. I can definitely see Nokia having another spike next week. They have earnings on Thursday before the market opens, so that could be really bad for us or really good for us. It's too early to tell, but I will keep you guys updated. If we fall below Friday's lows, I can definitely see us continuing to keep falling and just trade in a range of $4.60 to $4. And however, if we for some reason gap up and we can break 536, I can see us pushing up to mid 622. And if we break 622, we could definitely be pushing up to Wednesday's highs. Or actually, Wednesday's high was $9, but we can definitely see a big push up. Their earnings is Thursday, guys. Don't forget. I usually don't play earnings. You shouldn't either. IV crush will kill you. I think that this movement that is happening is great and all. However, I know that some of you guys are new and think that the stocks only go up, but that's not the case, because I know for a fact that the smart money trading with us, they took most of their profits already and they're just scalping. And soon a lot of other people are going to be taking profits as well. And that means that some people are going to be left holding the bag. So I recommend to start taking profits. If you haven't, I am not in GameStop anymore. I'm just scalping. I have 20% left in AMC, which at this point I'm playing with house money. BlackBerry, I have 10% left. Nokia, I did open a small position on Friday before the market closed. Don't forget, bulls and bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment, so please always do your own research and have a plan for your trade. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will be doing a giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you and stay woke.